So each time you receive an email in Gmail, if you want it to be automatically forwarded into another email address of your choice, then you can set that up as well. So to do that, you need to click on the gear icon right here and click on See All Settings. So once you do that, what you need to do is you need to go around onto Forward and Pop IMAP tab right here. And here you can see that you can go around and add in a forwarding address right here. So you can add in an email address where you want all of your received emails to be forwarded for backup. So I'm just going to go around and type in tututubechannel3@gmail.com right here, just like this, and then click on Next right here. So once I do that, it says forwarding mail to this email address right here. You can go around and proceed it, and you can see that a forwarding email for a forwarding address has been added in, but you do have to verify this. So that I have my other email right here, so you need to go around and click on this link or use the confirmation code right here. So I'm just going to go around, utilize the confirmation code right here, just like this. And let me just go around and correct that out right here and click on verify. And what happens is that forwarding is added in. So once you go around and enable out the forwarding by clicking on this, you can forward a copy of incoming mail to this Gmail and keep a copy in Gmail's inbox, or mark the copy of Gmail's inbox as read, or archive it or delete it out altogether as well. You can also go around and forward only some of your mails by creating a filter right here. Let's say, for example, you only want emails from, let's say, YouTube channel 2 to be forwarded right here. So you can go around and then confirm this. So you can go around, let me just press cancel and click on create filter right here. And you can see that whenever it goes around over here, you can go around and then you can skip the inbox or archive it as mail. But let me just go around and then create a filter right here. So I'll forward it to this email, create out a filter right here, maybe skip to the inbox right here, go back and create a filter over here, just like this. So that is what you have. You can go around, create a filter, and as per the filter, the emails from YouTube channel 2 will be forwarded onto this email right here. And that is how you can add in a forwarding email address in Gmail. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.